Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove RAM from a computer. I'm going to be using an Alienware Aurora as the model for this. And so the two RAM sticks are right here. So what you need to do is you need to push down the pins like so. And now you can see that the pins are pushed off to the side. So what you do next, then you just pull out the stick like that, and then you have it, right? And if you want to install a new stick of RAM, I'm just going to reuse this one, since I don't have a spare stick of RAM laying around. So what you do is you just line it up in the slot. As you can see, there are 3 slots here. You just have to get it in place so that's lined up. And what you have to do is you have to push down hard enough so that it clicks into place. Takes a little bit of force. It might feel like you're breaking your stick of RAM, but you're not. And as you can see, the pins now popped back into place, holding the RAM. So there's a minute 30-second video on how to install and uninstall RAM sticks. Thank you for watching. Peace.